Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the sweet side of healthy living. Today we're diving into a topic that's perfect for anyone looking to cut down on sugar without sacrificing flavor. Today we will tell you about 5 best sugar substitutes. But before we get into the alternatives, let's talk about the importance of sugar in the human body. Sugar, or glucose, is a crucial source of energy for our bodies. It's the primary fuel for our brain and muscles, helping us perform everyday activities and maintain our cognitive functions. However, while sugar is essential, consuming too much can lead to various health issues, including weight gain, diabetes, and heart disease. The key is to find a balance and choose healthier alternatives that provide sweetness without the negative side effects. Get ready to sweeten your life naturally. Number 1. Stevia. Our first star is stevia, a plant-based sweetener that packs a punch of sweetness without the calories. Derived from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant, stevia is up to 200 times sweeter than sugar but doesn't spike blood sugar levels, making it ideal for those watching their sugar intake. Stevia has been used for centuries in South America, where the plant originates. Its natural sweetness comes from compounds called steviol glycosides, which our bodies can't break down, so they pass through without adding any calories or affecting blood sugar. Think of stevia as your secret weapon in the battle against sugar cravings. It's sweet, natural, and guilt-free. Stevia is incredibly versatile. You can use it in baking, cooking, and even in your morning coffee. Its heat-stable properties mean it won't break down at high temperatures, making it perfect for all your sweet recipes. Some brands also offer stevia in liquid form, making it easy to add a few drops to beverages or dressings. Imagine enjoying a deliciously sweet homemade lemonade on a hot summer day, knowing that it's not adding any unnecessary calories to your diet. Next up is monk fruit extract. Monk fruit extract, another natural sweetener that's gaining popularity. Extracted from the monk fruit, this sweetener is calorie-free and doesn't raise blood sugar levels. It's a great option for adding sweetness to your favorite recipes without the guilt. Monk fruit, also known as luo han guo, has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. The sweetening compounds in monk fruit are called moghrosides, which are metabolized differently than regular sugar, resulting in a sweet taste without the calories or blood sugar spikes. Monk fruit extract is incredibly potent, much like stevia, so a little goes a long way. It's available in both liquid and powdered forms, making it easy to use in a variety of dishes. Whether you're making a batch of cookies or sweetening a pot of tea, monk fruit extract provides a natural and healthy sweetness. Picture whipping up a batch of your favorite chocolate chip cookies and feeling great about serving them to your family because they're sweetened naturally with monk fruit extract. Number 3. Erythritol. Moving on to erythritol, a sugar alcohol that's commonly used as a sugar substitute. Unlike some other sugar alcohols, erythritol is well tolerated by most people and doesn't cause digestive issues. It provides sweetness without the calories and has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Erythritol occurs naturally in some fruits and fermented foods. It's produced by fermenting glucose, usually derived from corn. One of the standout features of erythritol is that it's almost as sweet as sugar, making it an excellent substitute in baking and cooking. It also has a cooling effect, which can add an interesting twist to your dishes. One of the biggest advantages of erythritol is its digestive tolerance. While other sugar alcohols like sorbitol or maltitol can cause digestive upset, erythritol is absorbed in the small intestine and excreted unchanged in the urine, meaning it's less likely to cause bloating or gas. Imagine enjoying a slice of your favorite cake, sweetened with erythritol, and knowing you won't face any unpleasant digestive consequences afterward. Number 4. Xylitol. Xylitol is another sugar alcohol that's worth mentioning. It's naturally found in fruits and vegetables and has a similar sweetness to sugar. Xylitol is often used in sugar-free gums and candies due to its dental benefits. It can help prevent cavities and promote oral health. Xylitol has a similar sweetness to sugar, but with fewer calories, making it a popular choice for those looking to reduce their caloric intake. One of the unique benefits of xylitol is its ability to reduce the risk of cavities. It works by inhibiting the growth of the bacteria Streptococcus mutans, which is responsible for causing cavities. Chewing gum sweetened with xylitol can actually help clean your teeth and prevent plaque buildup. Using xylitol in your daily routine is a great way to enjoy sweetness while also caring for your teeth. Consider using it in baking, in your coffee, or even sprinkling it on top of your morning oatmeal. Imagine starting your day with a warm, comforting bowl of oatmeal sweetened with xylitol, and knowing that you're not only reducing your sugar intake, but also protecting your smile. Number 5. Coconut sugar. Last but not least, we have coconut sugar, a natural sweetener made from the sap of coconut palm trees. It contains small amounts of nutrients like iron, zinc, and potassium, making it a slightly healthier alternative to regular sugar. While it still contains calories, it has a lower glycemic index than sugar, meaning it won't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Coconut sugar has a rich, caramel-like flavor that can add depth and complexity to your dishes. It's minimally processed, retaining some of the natural nutrients found in the coconut palm sap. Although it's not calorie-free, its lower glycemic index means it releases glucose into the bloodstream more slowly, providing a more stable energy level. Using coconut sugar in your baking can add a unique flavor profile to your treats. It's perfect for cookies, cakes, and even savory dishes where a touch of sweetness is needed. Imagine baking a batch of brownies with coconut sugar, filling your kitchen with a delicious caramel aroma, and enjoying a treat that's not just tasty, but also a bit healthier. And there you have it, the 5 best sugar substitutes to sweeten up your life. Whether you're looking to reduce your sugar intake for health reasons or simply want to explore new flavors, these alternatives have you covered. Each of these sweeteners offers unique benefits and can be used in a variety of ways, making it easy to find the perfect one for your needs. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Whether you're a fan of the natural sweetness of stevia, the ancient benefits of monk fruit extract, the well-tolerated erythritol, the dental-friendly xylitol, or the nutrient-rich coconut sugar, there's an option for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty tips on healthy living. Until next time, stay sweet and stay healthy.